E-commerce continues to thrive, with innovations in logistics and delivery boosting online shopping. Companies are increasingly leveraging AI to personalize shopping experiences and optimize supply chains. Geopolitical tensions, particularly with China and Russia, are influencing the U.S. economy. Trade restrictions and tariffs have complicated relations with China, impacting industries reliant on Chinese imports. Meanwhile, sanctions on Russia and support for Ukraine are affecting energy prices and defense spending. The U.S. is also strengthening economic ties with allies through trade agreements and infrastructure projects, such as the Indo-Pacific Economic Framework, to counterbalance China's influence.
The U.S. economy in 2024 to 2025 is a complex tapestry of challenges and opportunities. While inflation and geopolitical tensions pose risks, the tech boom, green energy transition, and strong labor market offer reasons for optimism. Policymakers and businesses must navigate these dynamics carefully to ensure sustained growth and stability. Let me know if you'd like to explore any of these points further.
The most significant political development in recent U.S. history is Donald Trump's return to the White House after the 2024 election, running on a platform of economic revival, immigration reform, and America First policies. Trump managed to galvanize his base while expanding his appeal among working-class voters. His victory underscored the nation's deep political divisions. With a sharply polarized electorate, the election itself was marked by controversies over voting procedures, campaign finance, and disinformation, leading to renewed debates about election